Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 maths chapter quadratic equation part 1. So let's start. First of all, we will know what is this quadratic equation. So before that, we'll learn the introduction. Abel's first notable work was a proof of the impossibility of solving the equation by radicals. This investigation was first published in 1824 in abstruse and difficult form, and afterwards 1826 more elaborately in the first volume of Krell's journal. From Berlin, he moved to Freiburg, and here he made his brilliant researches in quadratic equations, the theory of functions, elliptic, hyperelliptic, and new class now known as abelian functions, which is being particularly intensely studied. This is where we start getting into the heart of what algebra is about. Factorizing quadratic expression and equation solving equations. Here we will be looking specifically at quadratic equations and their solutions. We will start off slow and solve equations that use only one property to make sure you have the individual concepts down. Then we will pick up the pace and mix them up when you need to use several properties and steps to get job done. Now, first point is degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. In a polynomial of one variable x, the maximum power of x is called the degree of polynomial. When the degree of polynomial is 1, it is called as linear polynomial. When the degree of polynomial is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. When the degree of polynomial is 3, it is called cubic polynomial. And when the degree of polynomial is 4, it is called biquadratic polynomial. Thus, a polynomial with degree as 2 is said to be quadratic equation. General form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where ABC is r and a is not equal to 0. Means ax square plus bx plus c, where we have to see this x squares coefficient should be a x square's coefficient, x coefficient should be b, and c is the constant. Like this, we have learned these degrees and all in previous chapter polynomials 2. So now we will move towards factorization of quadratic polynomials. So there are three different methods for finding factors of a polynomial. First method is taking out common factor. Second method is factorization using identities. Third method is method of splitting the middle terms. We have learned this method of factorization in chapter polynomials 2. There are detailed video, please go and check on the channel. So these three main methods of factorization, we will solve some questions based on these three methods. The first question is of taking out the common factor. So the question is factorize a cube b cube plus 2a square b square plus a square b square. So like this we have to factorize this. This is very easy question. We know that we can add the like terms, and here we can see that 2a square b square are the like terms. So we'll get a cube b cube plus 3a square b square. We'll take a square and b square common. We'll get ab plus 3. This will be our final answer by the method of taking common factor. Like this. Now we will move to second example, that is using identity. So the example is a square minus ab plus 1 by 4 b square. So you may think that this is a hard question due to the third term is in fraction. We know that this is in multiplication, so we'll get a square minus ab plus b square by 4. Here if we will look it carefully, we'll get that the identity a minus b whole square is similar. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here if we'll follow this, we'll get a whole square minus 2 into first term a and second term as it is will leave some space plus second term, this is like this, b square upon 4. We can write it like b by 2 whole square. This b by 2 is the second term. So here the second term will be b by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Remaining will be a square minus AB plus B square by 4 as it is. So therefore this equation is right. Therefore the answer of this question will be A minus B by 2 whole square. That will be A minus B by 2 bracket close bracket A minus B by 2. This is the easy answer of this question. Now the third question, that is by the method splitting the middle term. We'll solve this question in next part 2 of the chapter quadratic equation. Please wait till it. I hope you've understood this video. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. I hope you've understood this video. Thank you for watching.